Hello. What are you doing? Zkuste nahlas říct. What are you doing? Rychlej. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay? A znamená to, co děláš. Spíš jako co zrovna děláš, nebo co teď děláš. Okay? What are you doing? Co zrovna děláš? What are you doing? Okay, tak co děláme? Když večeřím.
Eating.
I'm eating. Nebo snídám, nebo jím teď.
Eating.
I'm eating. It's very good. Dobrý, dělat často.
Drinking.
I'm drinking.
Reading.
I'm reading.
Sleeping.
I'm sleeping. What are you doing? I'm
Singing.
singing.
Cooking.
I'm cooking. And I'm
Dancing. Dancing.
and now I'm teď.
Fishing.
I'm fishing. So what are you doing? Co děláte teď? What are you doing? Well, I'm speaking. Mluvím s váma. Okay. So demo.
I'm singing, I'm singing, I'm cooking, I'm cooking, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm fishing, I'm fishing, 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 fishing. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing?
Okay, what are you doing?